participants in the consultative conference in Mogadishu reached today, Thursday, to end the differences and hold presidential and parliamentary elections in Somalia, within 2 months. This came according to a final statement of the conference, which took place in the capital, Mogadishu. Was followed by the Somali Deputy Minister of Information, Abd al-Rahman Yusuf. The statement said, after prolonged consultations that lasted for 4 days, the participants agreed to end all controversial issues that hindered the holding of elections in the country, and agreed to hold them within 2 months of the day. Regarding the electoral commissions, the participants managed to submit all complaints related to members of the Federal Electoral Commissions to the Cabinet Office to change the names in dispute, if the charges against them are proven, within 2 days, according to the statement. In turn, Prime Minister Mohammed Hussein Roble promised to implement the recommendations of the conference, pointing out that the negotiations took place in a positive atmosphere that helped in reaching a consensual electoral mechanism. During his speech at the closing ceremony of the conference, he called on all heads of federal states to protect Somali women's quota in the next parliament in both chambers. Roble thanked the Somali president, Mohamed Abdullah Farmajo, for his contributions to the success of the negotiations, along with the heads of states and the forces of civil society in the country. He also welcomed the efforts of the international community in this regard, calling on it to continue its technical, financial and political support for the electoral process in the country.